A South Reno couple is not only raising their own children, but they've committed to helping hundreds more in Uganda. How they discovered the overwhelming need for love, nourishment, and medical care, and how you too can help in tonight's Health Watch. Amid the hustle and bustle of this East African city, you'll find hundreds of little ones in Uganda, playing and dancing at Happy Times child care initiatives. You can't deny their joy, but the orphanage is a stark reminder of the desperate need to help the abandoned and abused.
There's just an incredible number of children without families who just, their stories are beyond anything that you can even imagine. I mean,
the Coombs family knows many of them, and they adopted one little girl, baby Joy. But it was an arduous road for Lori and Travis and their biological daughters who were committed to praying her home.
Their hearts are as invested as ours are. You know, a lot of times when we were struggling through the long adoption process, their commitment to the adoption kept us going a lot of times.
We brought her home, and I just had this intense feeling in my heart that there's more to this.
That's when the need presented itself, after learning Happy Times was barely sustaining the children's lives.
So they're watering down formula. I mean, it was a mess.
They launched a Reno-based nonprofit ministry called A New Song International to financially help them grow a sustainable infrastructure to feed these babies, educate them, and provide medical care.
We were able to hire an on-staff nurse. So she's there 24 hours a day, and she cares for the children.
They also want to create a 50-acre irrigated farm to not only feed the children, but sell the remaining goods for profit to keep the lights on. And you can help too. You'll start to see these handmade, paper-beaded Ugandan necklaces for sale here in Reno. Proceeds benefit A New Song International. Or you can sponsor a child, and every little bit helps.
You know, I have $20, what's that going to do? Well, in Uganda, it's going to do a lot.
To feed these little ones hope as they grow up. And by the way, the Coombs are working to adopt another little girl from Uganda as we speak. As for A New Song International, if you'd like to host a fundraising event or be part of the fundraising efforts, we're going to post a link to its website under the Health Watch icon at ktvn.com.